This refreshing salad is one of the best salads I've had in a really, really long time. So I'll put the recipe ingredients in the description, but you have to try this. It is so good. Even the dressing is made from scratch. So here the dressing is being prepared, and you set it aside as soon as you're done so that you can focus on the other parts of the salad. And while that is chilling, you're chopping and making this perfect salad. One of the things I loved the most about this salad is that there really isn't a lot of chopping. Yes, you could probably do more than what I did, but it's not necessary. So you can, cut off the stems of the lettuce. In this case, it's arugula. I use cucumbers. I prefer the English cucumber, less seedy. Blueberries, blackberries. Yes, everything was washed in advance. The mint, the scallions, the berries. It was just so incredibly fresh. I think you're going to love it. Nothing is wasted. My husband loved it. Feta is one of my favorite cheeses in a salad, and this is just so light and enjoyable. I just cannot say enough about how much I love this salad. I will be making it again, and I think it's going to become a staple in my household. The only dilemma I have now is what to call it. I need a name. What do you recommend?